Okay, I have just woken up. It's 5:12 right now and मुझे अभी भी इतनी ज़्यादा नींद आ रही है. लाइक मेरी आँख में प्रॉपर नींद आ रही है. तो मैं अगर थोड़ी देर और बेड पे रही तो आई अगेन गोइंग टू स्लीप. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go do the brush, take shower also so that I get freshen up. Like इससे दिमाग खुल जाएगा and then we'll start our day. So I just don't want to talk a lot because of course it's very like early morning and I've just woken up. So what I'm gonna do is just quickly tell you what the video is all gonna about. I am planning to take a study challenge as you guys have commented in the video. So I think I am gonna do a 12-hour study challenge today. We have woken at a very good time, so let's utilize it. And yeah, let's start the video. I am going to wash my hair. देखो the thing है मेरे बालों के साथ इतनी अजीब सी प्रॉब्लम है that मैं जब बाल धुलती हूँ उसके थोड़े टाइम के बाद लाइक एक स्कम और ऐसे वाइट लाइक डैंड्रफिश मटेरियल गेट्स डिपॉजिटेड ऑन माय फेस, गेट्स डिपॉजिटेड ऑन माय स्कैल्प. मुझे इतनी इचिंग होने लगती है उसके बाद. लाइक आई हैव टू वॉश माय हेयर वेरी फ्रीक्वेंट. एंड जितने भी ये शैम्पूज है ना जो एकदम क्लेम करते हैं कि नहीं दे जस्ट गिव यू द रिजल्ट्स इन द फर्स्ट वॉश, दे हैव अ केमिकल कॉल्ड ZPTO विच इज रियली हार्मफुल फॉर योर स्कैल्प. एंड जो बाहर की कंट्रीज में बेसिकली यूरोप में बैंड है but it is not banned in India. So you have to keep that in mind कि तुम्हारे शैम्पू में if you are using any anti-dandruff shampoo, ZPTO is not available.
ZPTO was banned in Europe in 2022 due to safety concerns.
This is me while editing the video. Okay, let me know in the comments फटाफट से अपने शैम्पू में चेक करके that does your shampoo contain ZPTO or not. So I got a shampoo which does not have ZPTO and जो first wash से ही थोड़ा रिजल्ट देने लगता है and that is Bare Anatomy का anti-dandruff shampoo. This is going to be my first wash over this shampoo and let's see कि ये कैसा काम. It has got pyroxone olamine that controls dandruff, salicylic acid that removes buildup and biotin that supports the scalp health, and all these ingredients make it a non-drying formula, leads up to 100% dandruff reduction and makes it Amazon's bestseller. I am back. काफी लंबा शावर लिया है but okay, feeling very fresh. Let's do a quick skincare using serum. Okay, hydration from inside is also important. So, taking my first sip for the day. And let's start our 12-hour study challenge because it's gonna take a lot of time. It's not gonna be easy, but let's go. The time right now is 6:18, exactly 1 hour from where we started. Like ठीक है बॉयज, लड़कियों को बाल धुलने में इतना टाइम लगता है. ओके, जस्ट इग्नोर द फैक्ट दैट आई टुक ऑलमोस्ट एन आवर टू गेट रेडी. लेट्स बिगिन. So we did almost like 2 hours 15 minutes. It's 8:50 right now. I am going to go get some breakfast because बहुत तेज भूख लगाई है. सुबह उठने की सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये है कि you get hungry very easily और सुबह कुछ होता नहीं है खाने को. Although I have fruits but I was just not willing to eat fruits. सुबह कुछ खाने का मन नहीं हो रहा था but भूख भी लगी है तो अब मैं जा रही हूँ. We'll have some parathas in the mess and let's go to library. it's about 12:45. I'm going to have lunch on my scooty right now. Let's go. I'm not in the mood to vlog. I'm very angry. Like something has happened. So yeah, I'll just go in my room, chill, and then we'll come back. Also look at those new leaves. कितना प्यारा कलर लग रहा है leaves. Guys, it's time for gujia. Miss this opportunity जो हमें गुजिया खाने की मिली है. I just wish कि यार गुजिया होली का टाइम पे क्यों बनती है. मतलब गुजिया should be made around the year. Sweet इतनी पसंद है कि मैं अपनी मम्मी से कभी कभार बिन होली के गुजिया बनवाती हूँ. Yeah, that's who I am. If you are with me in this thing कि चलो गुजिया को बनाते हैं, गुजिया पूरे साल मिलनी चाहिए rather than on just Holi. If you also want to be a part of Gujia Khao gang round the year, do let me know in the comment section. Let's make our Gujia gang. Okay guys, just a 5-minute break. We've been like continuously studying from the past 1.5 hours and अब इसे आँख दर्द होने लगी है. And little update, I got my periods, took ibuprofen, otherwise नहीं पढ़ पाती मैं because the cramps were so bad. So yeah, अब तो पता भी नहीं चल रहा that they're even there. Just gonna take a quick stroll around the campus and 5 minute के बाद we'll get back, sit back and again we'll stretch the session up to like 2 to 3 hours. इतना तो टाइम नहीं है, 2 to 2.5 hours. अभी 7:30 हो रही ना, 8:30 9:30 2 घंटे ही पढ़ पाएंगे. Not even 9:30 sorry, क्योंकि डिनर भी करना है तो 9:15 पे नहीं we have to be at hostel वरना मेस बंद हो जाएगी. So like 1.5 hours at max. Let's do it. क्योंकि फिर रूम पे जाके भी पढ़ना पड़ेगा in order to finish the 12-hour challenge which is looking a little impossible right now, but then basically post-Holi survival kit. Already like dinner खत्म हो चुका था पूरा, so we at least managed to reach on time. कल से ऐसे नहीं करेंगे because dinner is so important. वरना रात में इतनी कस के भूख लगती है and gates बंद हो जाते हैं तो हम order भी नहीं दे सकते. So this is what I got. Let's freshen up, eat the dinner and let's restart. Going to quickly freshen up. I am so exhausted. I don't know, like अभी 2 घंटे और बचे to study. It's already around 9:30. Dinner करके 10 o'clock से we'll again get back. So quick transition. I'm not going to show you washing the face and ये सब because I am so tired. मैं phone नहीं उठा रही अब. So a quick transition into the most comfy clothes I have. Okay, it's the same night routine using the same serum. Do a little more under eye patches because हमने बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ाई की आज. Feels so therapeutic. Let's have the the dinner. And guys, I just got reminded that I have a parcel to show you guys, but I really wanted to show you, but मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि first we should finish the पढ़ाई वाला scenario, because I started binging on YouTube and I was just watching Tanisha. I finished one video of hers and I think I am not feeling good now because हमने थोड़ा सा time waste extra कर दिया. It's 10:15, so we'll just quickly finish the पढ़ाई वाला task. उसके बाद I'll show you the parcel that I got. It's a kurti and I really like want to open it right now. I don't know, like there's a thing with me कि जब भी मेरा parcel आता है, I just cannot wait even for a second. No, we're not doing it. We are studying first and then we'll see how is it. So it's 1 hour 50 minutes remaining, so let's do it. Okay, hi guys, so this is the next day. It's 8th of March and I already woke up at 6:30. मैंने breakfast वगैरह सब कर लिया है and I am shooting this video because मुझे एकदम से याद में आया कि मैंने आप लोग को I didn't show you the parcel and मैं भी सो गई थी. उसके बाद मेरे को याद भी नहीं था parcel की. So this was the kurti वाला parcel and let me just wear it and show it to you all. Okay, this is a cotton kurti, वो full sleeves वाली, and let me just try it on. Honestly, इस कुर्ती की फिटिंग थोड़ी अजीब है. लाइक कहीं से ये बहुत टाइट है. लाइक ये वाला स्लीव बहुत टाइट है, ये वाला स्लीव इज लूज. The neckline is also not good. Let me know what you think about it, and yeah, let's end this vlog and see you guys in the next video. Bye.